Top 10 Forensic Science Research Topics. Toxicological evidence in forensic pharmacology. Toxicological analysis plays a key role in determining whether drugs and other substances are involved in a crime. You can write an interesting essay on types of toxicological evidence and ways of collecting it. For example, explore the methods of substance identification, drug dose measuring, and others. Principles of forensic toxicology. This essay can illustrate the importance of accurate toxicological analysis. Describe the most reliable analysis techniques, such as gas and liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry, and immunoassays. You can also talk about various types of biological samples and the specific challenges associated with their examination. Experimental psychology and forensic psychology. Here, you can explain how experimental and forensic psychology helps us learn more about human behavior. Start by discussing experimental psychology and its approaches, which include lab experiments, surveys, and behavioral observations. Next, turn to forensic psychology and its role in the legal system. Finally, show where the two branches intersect. Latent fingerprints in forensic examination. Latent fingerprints are invisible to the naked eye, but still, they can provide invaluable evidence in court cases. In your essay, explain how latent fingerprints can be found and enhanced. For example, explain how powder dusting and chemical treatments work. Additionally, talk about their limitations. Linguistics and law. Forensic letters. In this essay, your task is to discuss how the analysis of forensic letters helps in legal contexts. Specifically, we recommend you focus on linguistics as a method of identifying authorship of texts. Describe how markers such as grammar and vocabulary can provide insights into a person's background, education, and so on. Career in clinical, counseling, forensic psychology. Here, you can describe the job opportunities for psychology degree holders. Focus on careers in clinical, counseling, and forensic psychology. Enumerate the main requirements for each occupation. Additionally, you can suggest further education paths and job opportunities related to each sphere. Forensics of fire and explosions critique. Forensics of fire and explosions play a crucial role in determining people's freedoms and prospects in numerous court cases. Sounds interesting? Then, this essay is for you. Choose a book or a research paper on this topic and critique it. Pay attention to both pros and cons of being part of the forensics community that are presented in the work. Geological forensics and its evaluation. Geological forensics deals with collecting geological evidence to solve various crimes. The primary sample type it examines is soil. However, working with soil is challenging since it's subject to pollution and erosion. Besides, there are plenty of reasons why such analysis can be unreliable. In your essay, explore these and other shortcomings of geological forensics as well as ways to overcome them. Homicide investigations and forensic evidence. Forensic evidence is arguably the most important component of homicide investigations. Aside from helping solve crimes, it also deters potential criminals because they know they can potentially be caught. You can write an A+ essay about the importance of forensic evidence and the challenges associated with collecting it. Forensic psychology, personality assessment inventory. Personality Assessment Inventory, PAI, is a tool consisting of self-report items. Answering those questions helps evaluate one's personality and determine any psychopathology. PAI has many other uses beyond the forensic setting. We suggest you assess them in your essay and determine the effectiveness of PAI in different environments. Find more research topics on studycorgi.com.